was a kid in the back of the room, quiet as dust in the afternoon. Teachers shaking their heads at me like I was something I'd never be. Square peg kid in a round world spin, never quite knew where I fit in. Words on paper looked like a storm, and I felt lost in a different form. But somewhere deep where nobody sees, a small voice whispered quietly, the day I believed in me was the day the world turned differently. Every step, every little win built the man I'm living in. All those years I couldn't see the strength that was inside of me, but one small spark set my soul free the day I believed in me. Calloused hands and a stubborn will, working jobs on the factory hill, learning lessons the hard way through, finding things I could actually do. Every board that I cut just right, every engine I brought to life, every mile that I walked alone built a road I could call my own. And slowly the mirror began to show someone stronger than I'd known. The day I believed in me was the day the world turned differently. Every step, every little win built the man I'm living in. All those years I couldn't see the strength that was inside of me, but one small spark set my soul free the day I believed in me. Now I know what that boy went through. Every scar helped the roots break through. Every doubt that they threw my way only taught me how to stay. And the man staring back today is the proof that the boy found his way. The day I believed in me was the day my eyes could finally see all the dreams buried deep within, waiting for the chance to begin. Every step of the journey you'll see was shaping the man to be, and the world opened endlessly. The day I believed in me. So if you're that kid that can't quite see, hold on tight to what you can be. Sometimes the world takes time to see. The day you start believing